Hello everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. It is a gloomy Saturday in November here, and today I'm working on my No-Sew Journal November prompts. Today I am going to do black and white and painted pages. Oops, I'm using a white pen because this is for my black and white. Oops, I bumped you. So I have this black tag and I am going to draw a white swan on here. So I've already kind of messed up one of them. I don't know if I have enough white here. I guess we'll find out. And I haven't drawn anything like this in a very long time. So hopefully it will look good. I did draw it out a little bit in pencil first. There we go. I think I'm running out of white ink, unfortunately. Uh-oh. Oh well. See if I can get my other pen to work. I don't know if that one's any better. Okay, so let's just make a little eye here. And some wings. I'm not liking how raggedy my outline is, but what are you going to do? It looks like I messed up on the beak a little bit there, but I want to try to draw some other little things on here, like hearts and flowers. Maybe I should draw a flower on my swan. Also, I don't know, there's part of black thing on this swan's, like right up here by the eyes, but I don't know how I would do that. So I think I'm going to just leave it. And just draw some flowers. And some hearts. Maybe I'll color some in. Wonder if I should draw a heart on the goose, or not a goose, swan. It is a, oh, maybe I'll draw a little flower on the neck. And a heart. Yeah, why not? Let's see. Another flower over here. Okay. I don't necessarily like how my coloring of white is doing. Let's try this white heart here. Are you even seeing this? I might try to do another one off camera, see if I can do a better job. I'm not liking how my white pen is working. I'm very quiet. I don't have much to say. We did go out to lunch with our son and grandson. His mom is a teacher. I'm not loving how this is coming out. I think I want to try and do another one. So we did go out to lunch with my son and grandson. My son's wife is in the teachers union, and she had like a union meeting somewhere. So let's just do some dots. Guess it's not that bad. Not bad, but I do think I'm going to go offline and draw another one and see how if I like it better. Alright, so I drew another one, and I do like this one better than this one. So which one do you like better, 1 or 2? Let me know in the comments below. I am also going to ink around this with black ink because it's white on the inside where I cut it. So it's like a coating of black on top of white. Hopefully this is all dry. So I'm just going to do that. And then we'll fit it in the journal somewhere. So that's my finished project for black and white. And then I'm going to try to use some of these paints. They might be too big. I'm not sure. We'll see in a minute. But let's figure out what page I want to put this black and white tag on. Kind of feel like it might go here, but it's going to cover everything that I've put on there. Let's look at the other side. Alright. Oh, let's see. Maybe like right here. Yeah, I think that's, I'm going to just go ahead and glue that down. Either right there, or maybe right in the middle. Maybe right in the middle. Not sure. It doesn't really go with the vibe of the journal, but that's okay. Alright. Hopefully this glue doesn't ruin this paper, because sometimes it does. And I just thought of it just now, but that's going to go there, and that's for my black and white. I think it's dry. Okay, and then I was thinking about using this peachy color and just sort of making like a checkerboard. I need a scrap paper because I want to see how this is going to look. It's pretty big sponge. That's at least 1/2 inch. Maybe something like this. Somewhere. Like right here. Oops. Too much paint. It's going to take a while for this to dry. Okay, I'm not loving that, but I feel like we don't have much choice now. So we'll have to let that dry, and I might come in with some different paint pens and make a smaller checkerboard. on another page. I maybe should have used yellow. But anyway, I'm going to go and come back when this is all dry and I can start all over with another page. There. So while I was filming this video, I realized that I actually didn't film as much as I thought I did. So I'm going to have to just show you what I did. I did add some grid washi tape and some map washi tape to some of the pages. And then I took my black and white Posca pens and made some marks. Here's that tag that we just did. And here's some more map washi. And then on the other side, some more map washi and grid washi. Here's some more of the black and white marks. And then we have some more map washi and black and white marks here. And then I also did some pencil marks. I don't know if you can see that, but I did that there. Did I do it on the other side somewhere? I guess that was the only page I did pencil marks on. But anyway, I can see some of my tape is coming up. I'm going to have to glue it down, I guess. So anyway, I hope you liked this video, even though it was cut off and you didn't get to see me doing my mark making and stuff. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. And I should tell you what else we covered. Painted pages, black and white, and messy marks. That's what it was, messy marks. So that was it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. See you next time. Bye-bye.